Greetings from the Walkway over the Hudson, and that being the Hudson River. We are facing the Mid-Hudson Bridge. To our left is the beautiful city of Poughkeepsie. And we will do a quick walk towards Highland, New York, Ulster County. Let's take a walk over to the historical plaque. As you are crossing the bridge, there's lots of information about this unique destination. Poughkeepsie Railroad Bridge has been placed on the National Register of Historic Places in 1979 by the United States Department of the Interior. And here is a look. Again, this is Highland, New York, Ulster County to the left, and Poughkeepsie to the right. And how does one get to this destination without a car, which is how I arrived today via the Metro North train. It is about $20 for each ride. Takes about 2 hours to get here on the Metro North train from 42nd Street, and you do not need a car once you have arrived. If we look to our left, there is the Poughkeepsie train station. Brings you right over to the Walkway over the Hudson. And what happens when you are in Ulster County? Well, there's Franny Reese State Park. And from Franny Reese State Park, it's about a 2.5 mile walk to DuBois Farm, where they have apple picking, pumpkin picking, and the best apple cider donuts. The best apple cider donuts in the Hudson Valley. I believe this bridge opened as a pedestrian walkway. I think the year was 2009, and it started for October. Their signature events here are Walktoberfest, which happens in the beginning of October, and in the evening, the fundraiser known as Starry Nights. And when this bridge does close in the evening, you can take the Mid-Hudson Bridge if you find your way back over to Poughkeepsie. Till next time, forever beautiful. I love New York. Keep enjoying fall.